Hey, Matt here with 911R. We have the 67 Jaguar Series 1 4.2 that's ending today. I just want to do like a little walk around and talk about this car. Please watch the drive video on this car. I have to say this is probably the finest driving Jag XKE I've ever driven. I've sold hundreds of these cars. This thing drives so strong, motor pulls great, and that 5-speed gearbox is a huge plus on the car. It just motors down the road nice and smooth. All the chassis and suspension has all been redone in the car. This car was owned by the first owner for 30 years, then was sold and went through a full restoration to the point where you see it now. The body and paint on it is beautiful. Coming around here, you can see there's, it's been perfectly color sanded and it's very flat and smooth. There's no chips or marks or anything in it. All the chrome work has all been redone. Nice thing on Series 1, you see the markers above the bumper. It's a quick way to tell a Series 1 from Series 2, just so you don't know. Beautiful chrome wire wheels with knockoffs, the wood, the louvers and the hood. Come around and see the interior. You got a black leather interior that's been really nicely trimmed. The wood steering wheel has a nice finish to it. All the gauges work in the car. The top is beautiful on it. It has the boot that comes with the car. Let me open up the back here. In the back you have the full toolkit, documents, paperwork, even down to the grease gun. All the engine build stuff and everything that comes with the car. In the back here, you also see the body tag number here. I'm gonna go around and open up. All the metal on the inside has all been really nicely polished. It's been serviced. The SU carburetors run really nice and smooth. This thing fires right up and it idles really nice. It does have an upgraded aluminum radiator and fan in it. Makes these cars run much better on warmer days. I'll go ahead and do a cold start here right for it. This cat just purrs. This is a really great example. If you're looking for a really good driving Jaguar that is going to have good performance and be able to get out on the road, you're going to be happy with, this is a really good example. Please use the contact seller button if you're interested in anything in 911R can do to help you or on this car or any other car. Thank you very much.